Hi friends, here we are given that the interior angles of a polygon are an arithmetic progression and the smallest angle is 120 degrees and the common difference is 5 degrees. That means 120, 125, 130, 135 likewise. Then how many sides are there in this polygon? We know the sum of angles, interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. But why is that? Earlier also we proved in one of our earlier videos. Let us quickly revise that. Let us take one random polygon like this. Here how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. There are 6 sides in this polygon. Let us take one random point in the polygon. Any random interior point in the polygon. Right. And from that point, let us connect all the vertices. For example, let's this point be G, GA, GB, GC, GD, GE, GF. Right. How many triangles are formed? Again, 6 triangles, right? One, two, three, four, five, six. Right. Each side will create one triangle. There are 6 triangles. Now, what is the sum of all angles of these triangles? 6 into 180, right? Each triangle angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So 6 into 180 degrees. That is the sum of all angles within the polygon. That is this one plus this one plus this one plus this one plus all of this. Right? All of these angles and all of these angles. Right. The total of all of this, all the ones, all the interior angles of the polygon, and the angle at the center. This is 6 into 180 degrees. If there are n sides, then that will be n into 180 degrees. Right. If there are n sides of the polygon, n triangles will get formed. So sum of all angles of the triangles will be n into 180 degrees. Now we want interior angles of the polygon. So that means we have to subtract this extra part. This extra part doesn't contribute to the interior angles. Right? Interior angles are this and that. Right? This is extra. This part is extra. What is this part? This is complete circle. What is complete circle? 2 times 180 degrees, right? This is 360 degrees, which means 2 times 180 degrees. So n into 180 degrees minus 2 times 180 degrees. That equals n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Here in this problem, we are given 120 degrees is the lowest and 5 degrees is the difference. Now total sum is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Now what is this sum? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is 2a? 2 into 120, 240. N minus 1 into d is 5 equals n minus 2 into 180. So what does that mean? N by 2 into 240 plus 5n minus 5, right? Equals n minus 2 into 180. So here, this 5 we can cross from both the sides. 5, 48 is 240, right? So this becomes 240 becomes 48 plus n minus 1 plus equals n minus 2 into what is 180 by 5? It is 36. That means n by 2 into 48 minus 1, 47 plus n equals n minus 2 into 72. N minus 2 into 36, that becomes then n into 47 plus n becomes this 2, if we take it this side, it becomes 72. Right, if you simplify this becomes 47n plus n square equals 72n minus 2 72s are 144. This simplifies to n square minus 25n, 47n minus 72n, which is minus 25n plus 144 equals 0. That means 16 nines are 144 and 16 plus 9 is 25, right? So n square minus 16 minus 9n plus 144 equals 0. That means n is either 9 or 16. That means the polygon could be of 9 sides or can be 16 sides. If it is 9 sides, then what is the total sum? If it is 9, 9 by 2 into 240 plus 9, 9 minus 1, which is 8 into 5 degrees. That is 1260 degrees. That is 7 into 180, which is 1260 degrees. Right? N minus 2 into 180. Similarly, even if when it is 16, it becomes 16 by 2 into 240 plus 16 minus 1, 15 into 5. Then also it becomes 2520. So this becomes 2520. Then 16 sides, 16 minus 2, 14. 14 into 180 degrees. This is also 2520. So we have two solutions. Right. It could be it could be 9, could be 16. Right, guys? This is a nice problem. Hope you like this. Thank you.